Hi, sir, ma'am. Assalamualaikum. I'm Jubilin Romero, 35, single with one son from Philippines, Christian. I have working experience in Saudi Arabia 4 years, UAE 2 years, Qatar 2 years, Kuwait 2 years. I know taking care of the babies, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, and ironing. And I know how to cook Arabic food. Bashamil, breakfast, chapati, kubos ragag, makarag, banalit, shakshuka, shawarma, salona, pasulya, salona adas, bamia, mukuliya, bakura, haris, and harsiya. Lunch and dinner, magluba, biryani, mashbus, kabsa, mutabak, salona, chicken oven, sinya diyaj, sinya kudar, waraka anab, mashik malpuk, mashikusa, sambusa, and pasta, makarona, bashamil, lasagna, chapati, spaghetti, patayer, pizza, cinnamon rolls, croissant, honeybee, gemat, and ready mix dough. Cakes, carrot and orange cake. Dates cake, Kuwaiti cake, crepes, and ready mix. And sweets and other, basbusa, konapa, bakluba, mohalabiya, caramel, gelatin, salata, and gawa. I hope you can help me, ma'am. Sir, thank you.